Okay. Day 2. We got our components, layers, levels ready to glue together. I'm not a proponent of sanding where you're going to glue, but what I did was I cleaned it real well with denatured alcohol, and it'll be okay. But normally I don't sand. I'll just use the joiner, and then I'll glue up after that. But that's really not an option here. Definitely don't want to beat these rings up. Okay, end glued joints are not inherently very super strong, but once we glue the layers and we're going to move the joints around about a half inch a piece all the way around. They're gonna actually turn around this segmented piece. Then it'll be fine. So I'm going to put them together. I have my colors or my layers set for the way the bowl's going to turn out, the segmented piece, the way it's going to turn out. So I've got all my pieces ready. I've got my thing here. I've also got it written down on my plan so I can recreate something like this. I never make anything exactly the same, but I can have an idea of how I'm going to do this. So what's going to happen is we're going to go in here, we're going to glue all this up. We're going to make sure it's exactly the way we want it. That'll be our rough piece. I might kill the points on this with the sander. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Depends on my mood. And then in a couple of days, it'll go on the lathe, and we'll turn it into the finished piece. So that's pretty much it. Nothing else. All right, day 2. I'll jump back in with you guys after I get it all glued up, and I'll let you see what it's going to look like before it's going to go on the lathe. All right. Yeah. All right, we're in the process of gluing up the twin, the number 2, because we're making 2 of these projects. So that's where we're at now. And we're doing the rings or layers, which then will get stacked. All right. All right. Take our big aviation clamp or radiator clamp, whatever you call it. Snug it up. There we go. Very snuggy, buggy. Snuggy. And only a whole bunch more to go. All right, let's swing you around a little bit. We've got the first project is stacked now, and I don't know how well you can see, but each one of the joints is an equal distant offset going up and down, and then we have all the different colors. And the top, because this is going to have a top. And this is the top. This is actually going to be the top. And this is the next layer down from the top. And that'll be That'll be where it comes apart, so you can access the inside. Okay, that's it. All right, we're going to let these guys dry overnight. Then we'll take the bands off. We'll stack these, and we're going to complement the colors, complement the species on the other one. We'll switch the cherry and the maples on the top and bottom just to give it a little bit of a different look. And then we'll stack these tomorrow, glue them up, and then in a couple of days, when this glue is good and happy and hard and cured and dried, then we'll throw them on the lathe and we'll turn them and see how they come out. And they better come out good, because they need to come out good. All right? You guys have a great day, and we'll catch up in a couple of days.